Welcome to Food Place. Today I am going to show you how to make jelly from guava. For that, ingredients which you need is guavas, then lemon, citric acid and sugar. So let me tell you how to go about. First, you take ripe guavas and wash them. After washing, cut them into small pieces like this. Then you have to boil them. You have to wash guavas, then cut in this manner, top, and now you don't have to peel it, and then make it into small chunks. Yeah, this is the way you have to cut it, which I have already done. Like this you have to cut them, and you have to add water in such a manner that all the pieces should get dipped in guava. You can see here that the pieces of guava, they have dipped totally in water, and then you have to cook it. It takes some time to get cooked till guava becomes soft. You have to cook like this, and you can see now guavas, they have become soft. It has been cooked, and you have to keep on stirring continuously, otherwise it will stick down. So now you can see it is ready. Switch off the gas. It takes around 20 minutes to do this cooking of guavas. Now you have to remove the water from this. So for that you have to strain this water. Make sure that pulp doesn't go in it, only the water remains down. So for that you have to put it in another utensil. This is the way you have to put it in the strainer and strain it. Leave it for some time so that only the water should come down here. Leave it for some time so that it gets completely drained. You can see here. See that the water from after cooking guavas, it has come. This is 1 bowl of water I have got after boiling guavas. So you have to put 1 bowl of sugar in it, and then again, and 1 tablespoon of lemon you have to put in it, and a pinch of citric acid. Again you have to cook it, and continuously you have to keep on stirring it. And put 1 tablespoon of lemon also. This is 1 tablespoon of food. Now you have to cook it. So you can see it is becoming thick. You have to test it by putting in the plate. If it remains in one place, that means it is done, but it is still bit watery, so you have to cook for some time. Say for another 5 minutes in high flame only. It is becoming thicker. Now it has become thick, and you can see when you put, it doesn't spread like water, it remains in one place. Switch off the gas and let it cool a bit, then pour it in glass container. It will then set like a jelly. So let us make it cool for some time. Then you have to put it in the glass container when it is still warm, because after some time it will set completely like a jam or jelly. You have to scoop it out with a spoon. So let me just leave it for some time, then I'll put it in the container. It's become little cool. You can pour it in glass container. Don't pour very hot, otherwise glass container will break. So you have to leave it for 5 minutes, and then you have to pour it in some container.
Glass.
Now leave it for some time and it will set. It cooled down completely. You can see that it has set properly, and you can spread it on bread, on chapati, paratha, puri. You can eat with it, and this guava jelly is ready to eat. Hope you have liked this recipe. If you have liked this, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.